Hello guys and welcome back to DRTS Web Works. I'm Tanko and I'm here to show you my next video. Currently I'm on the back end of my website. So I'm gonna show you what is actually the best website builder and why. So we are going into Elementor, then we'll go into the templates, theme builder, and I now want to create my single page, the actual template that will be used for my website to view all the pages. Let's get started. Here you can see there are plenty of already prepared modules and templates that you can just simply download, and they will replace the current template and you will have an amazing looking page. Or what you can do is just click on close this one now and then we'll start. So I have my header here. Obviously I want to build everything below the header, so I'm gonna click on here and I'm going to start with a post title. Or let's say, because I'm creating the product page from Amazon, so let's actually do something else. Or what else we can do as well is we can put the featured image here, or we can say that we want it in full. We'll obviously modify this after we save it, but let's add some meta here. I personally prefer this one, and I definitely prefer this way of formatting the time, and then we can put if there are any comments, or we can change with anything else like terms or custom. We can put anything you want. I will leave it in this case empty, and I'll remove this one because I don't like putting my comments there. Now actually I've changed my mind, so I'm gonna put this on here just underneath. I'm gonna reduce the size a little bit. And over here I'm gonna put some social icons. Obviously I'll put X rather than Twitter because X is the new Twitter obviously, and we don't want to use outdated stuff. Right, so what do we have here? The featured image. Right, let's put some more stuff now. Right, this will be the post content, the actual stuff that you put inside the post, and I'll show you how to edit later. We can choose anything else. You can put a post navigation, which for a page is not necessary in my personal case. Right, let's publish. We are including automatically all pages, and then we're adding another condition because I don't want this to replace my custom home page, so I'm gonna exclude it. I'll do save and close to automatically update. Now we can either open the site editor, view live site, or we can just go back here. We'll go to our pages. Then I'll have this custom random page. And there it is. So this is our page, this is where we went. Oh, there is a bit of so I need to improve the padding. So this is basically the content of the page which we added, and pretty much that's it. Fairly easy. You can build your own website in literally no time. Then we're going to go back here to the templates because I want to fix this issue. Let's go here, let's take a spacer, let's put it on a full width. I'm removing the image. I just wanted to show you how, because I don't use any featured images on my pages. So let's reload now and see what's happening. Fair enough, we have managed to add some space here. This is our title of the page, this is our meta here, and we have the content here. That's it. We've added some space in between them. Sometimes some themes require this kind of stuff. Obviously, it's not mandatory, but it can happen. This is our content. We don't have anything here. We can just update the page, as you can see, and there we go. We can always move this, let's say, underneath here, and we can put this one here as well. Then we can put this in a central line, and this will change the situation a little bit more. And then we will put this underneath here, and then we can change it. I personally prefer the circled ones, they look nicer to me. Doesn't mean that you need to do it this way. We can update, we can reload and see what's happening. And there it is. Now it's completely changed. We have our title. We can always change the size of our title. We can go to the typography. And this is the way how you can do it. The next video I will show you how to create a single post template, so you can make your blog posts look stunning and amazing, and your visitors, viewers and clients will absolutely enjoy them. Stay safe guys, look after yourself, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers!